AAPS has so many things to offer in the way of workshops, meetings, webinars, podcasts, open scientific dialogues. I participated in all of these.
One tool that I find very helpful are the webinars that they offer periodically. I think the conference, the PharmSci 360, is extremely helpful.
But AAPS annual meeting is one of the single most world's largest gathering of pharma scientists.
So the specialized workshop, because it's rather small, and so that you can mingle together with the scientists within your specific area.
The publications are also very helpful to be able to learn and see what's coming out currently.
I always enjoy seeing the wide range of articles and the different articles that come from various backgrounds.
I learned that AAPS is excellent for the resources it provides in terms of scientific discussion and leadership opportunities.
You can hear about the experience of your colleagues. So sometimes this is in the form of webinars or discussions, and you get to know people and get to hear information that is not available in the public space.
Spend a little time on the website to really understand what AAPS has to offer.